So this question asks you to rationalise the denominator and then simplify if possible. Basically, rationalising is removing the surd, okay, from the denominator. Okay, we like surds preferably in the numerator, not the denominator. So this is how we're going to do it. Simply, we are going to times by something. Okay, we're going to times by root 8 over root 8. All right. This is because times in fractions, we just times the tops times the bottoms. 5 times root 8, well, that is 5 root 8. Okay, and then root 8 times root 8, well, if you times any root by another root, the root just cancels out. So all you're left with is 8. And that is rationalise the denominator. As you can see, the surd from the bottom has disappeared. We cannot further simplify this, but I will show you one of those in the next example. Again, we have that surd, okay, root 8 in this example again at the bottom, so we're simply going to times by root 8 over root 8. So at the top we're going to have simply 40 root 8. And at the bottom we are going to have root 8 times root 8, well that's just 8. Now we can do something here, okay, because 40 divided by 8 does simplify, so I'm going to divide both terms by 8, so I'll be left with 1 at the bottom, or nothing, and I'll be left with 5 at the top. So my final answer is 5 root 8. And again, one last one, just with slightly different numbers. We'll have root 3 at the bottom this time, so I'm going to times by root 3 over root 3. So I'm going to be left with 15 root 3, and root 3 times root 3 for the denominator is simply 3. Okay, then I can further cancel this down because we can divide both of these terms of 15 and the 3 at the bottom by 3 itself, so that's going to disappear, and that's going to be remained with 5. So it's 5 root 3.